Hello friends, welcome again to my channel and beginner continues to teach himself Python programming. So I open my Jupyter notebook again and I go to new Python 3. Okay, now I want to see about calendar. Okay, calendar. We have to remember that in this setup there is a libraries and we can import the thing as required. So here I will simply type import calendar, right? So from that library this calendar will be imported and it's available for your service. So I will say now, say for example y is equal to, I want to say enter your year. So here uh, there is a function input where user can put his input, and here I can say this is a string. Anything in between commas, inverted commas, will be string. I say enter your year, and this will be string. So I want to convert it into number. So for that you have to make it int. So whole thing inside this bracket will be converted into a number. Otherwise it will not recognize like a number. So I convert it into int. So this is year. Now I'll go for month. Is equal to int, in the bracket input, in the bracket a string, enter your month, right? And for neatness I'll put a colon here, for otherwise it will come too close. For this, too close to the question, there should be some space. Okay, right, so this is done. And now I will say my calendar. You can name anything. For less typing business I type it my cal is equal to calendar. That means I am making appeal to that calendar which we have imported, dot month, in the bracket yy comma So what will happen? And then I will say print my cal. Okay, so question will be put, what is the year, what is the month, and the calendar will be printed. So I will run it by control enter. It is asking enter your year, 2022. Enter your month, January. For that I will print 1. Here is the calendar, you see, January 2022. This is today's date is 15, Saturday. So this is all of this. Now how about what can I do if I need a yearly calendar? Okay, fine. For that, excuse me, I will do modification in this one only because this is the facility which is available. I will simply edit here only. So what I am doing, I remove month. Here I'll keep, and this part also I'll remove. I'll straight go to, now I'm not naming anything to my calendar. Directly I'm saying calendar. You have to write it, spelling should be properly, DAR, calendar, dot calendar. In the bracket year. Now I'm running this. Okay, control enter, asking the year. Okay, year 2022, and enter. See, here is the calendar of the yearly calendar is printed. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So that is why it is fascinating to learn Python programming. What we are doing actually, already the programmers have done everything. You are simply making it use as you need it. Calendar is there, everything is there, you are simply importing. So that is as simple as that. Now I want to remove this, so or I will go for new thing. How about time? Now we understood that this calendar. I want to go for time. Okay, so here uh, I will say, now here I have to import time now from date time. Import. You have to be careful about the spelling. It should be import. By mistake, you should not type import. Then there will be error. Date time. So from date time, import date time. This is a program which is already available. And now what we are doing? We say, for example, dt is equal to date time dot now, open close bracket. And now I will say print. This is the convenience. What we have this we said dt is equal to so and so. It is our convenience for less typing. I can type the whole date time dot now also. It will give same result, and I'll see what it will show. Okay, I'll say I want to run it. For running, control and enter. Some error is thrown, so what I'll go to the main page. Sometimes it become inactive, and I will go again the same thing. Okay, from date time, import date time, and then last time I appointed that dt is equal to da da da, but I go now directly. That was only for convenience of less printing, less typing. I say date time dot now, open close bracket. Okay, and I'll run it. Control enter. See, today's date is printed here with time. So 2022, 15 January 2022. Time is 22:17 and 40 seconds, and even further it is second is divided into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means they have made a millionth part of the second, and that is printed. That means you can go see this time goes forward up to 9999, and then it will go to the next second. So see the precision. It is giving time in that much precision. This is your date, 15 January 2022. Time is so and so, and the second is divided into a million times. So needless to say that this time is coming from your computer PC time only. If that is error time, then this will also be error. It will be also, I mean, showing the wrong time. If I change my time of my computer something else 10 years back, then it will show the 10 years back date. So this is showing as per your PC time, but this is the way Python is looking to the calendar and date time. So that's all for now. Thank you very much.